Gianpaolo F. Rivera. Luis B. Ruiz Jr. III. Resty R. Sahagon. Janet A. Saladino. Emeline B. Salvador.
Bander P. Ramos. Alex A. Soria. Jason S. Arcinias. Christopher T. Aures. Joseph S. Meneses. Fermin A. Montenegro. Edwin C. Montecalvo. Dave D. Monchel. Mary Joy C. Norte. Richardson B. Paulino.
Jedeline F. Alcawini. Helen B. Aguirre. Mark Christopher R. Agustin. Jesse C. Alcantara. Mary Grace D. Angeles. Billie Jean M. Araneta. Arlene P. Arenas. Yubel L. Arribas. Glenn P. Bacoy. Cherry M. Malahoro. Ildefonso P. Balato Jr. Recha Isabel A. Behino. Jerry B. Bernaldez. Raquel G. Blaza. Adrian Nicole B. Borja. Lynn Mary M. Villegas. Henry B. Zapata. And Michael P. Zulveta.
Ria P. Librano. Jerome E. Lucero. Rochelle F. Malyari. Cynthia E. Mandugay. Mary June A. Maranyo. Maria Concepcion E. Martin. Dexter F. Mendoza. Rose Ann P. Ines. Rachel S. Ramos, cum laude.
I, please state your name. Haven't been accepted as a member of the Technological Institute of the Philippines, Quezon City Alumni Association. do hereby solemnly pledge that I will render my full cooperation to promote and protect the ideals of the association, uphold the dignity of my alma mater, and to be of service to my fellow alumni, to the best of my ability, and without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Welcome to the TIP Alumni Association and congratulations.
This has been your host, Miss Raquel Lozada Laclores. Have a great day to all of you.
We used to be frightened and scared to try the things we don't really understand why. We laughed for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers, even if our last hurrays were never clear. Farewell to you, my friends. We'll see each other again. Don't cry, 'cause it's not the end of everything.